Mdex is losing its position and right now stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a circling supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is somewhat new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few similitudes to standard DEX. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, conceding it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum environment. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources by means of its pools utilizing its mechanized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Additionally, it gives prizes in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and dealers. What makes Mdex exceptional? Mdex convention has a few highlights making it stick out. It is quick and dependable. Contrasted with Ethereum, the expense is lower. All things considered, it isn't similar to a security coin with a gigantic accentuation on unknown exchanges. A portion of the vital elements of Mdex are computerized market creator. Mdex helps associations in building and sending off applications at rapid by giving a stage that upholds this cycle. The exchanges should be possible day in and day out utilizing the stage, in contrast to customary trading. Gathering pledges. It is likewise utilized for raising support. The Mdex stage works with the raising support process. Modest exchange charge. When contrasted in Ethereum, the Mdex convention completes exchanges quicker and with low expenses, consequently furnishing clients with a quicker, more and easy-to-use stage in a fluid exchanging framework for a minimal price. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized engineering. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing shrewd agreements. The trading of this kind works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market support. What makes Mdex unique is its programmed market producer include. They likewise plan to expand their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding numerous resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-use models and fortify their local area and direct its administration. As per the engineers' arrangements, the trade will turn into a center for changing resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being significant while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to incorporate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, fates contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a clear chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost gauge. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice according to our Mdex conjecture. Mdex cost today approaches 23 cents, yet your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from here on out. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a most extreme cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex estimate toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex estimate, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal lease cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. Additionally, the Mdex worth can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 33 cents. According to our Mdex cost forecast 2022, the Mdex cost could hit 34 cents before the current year's over and 48 cents by 2026. Our drawn-out Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. The cost of Mdex has a gigantic chance of surpassing its ongoing ATH of $10.11 this year according to our cost expectation gauge framework. The ongoing cost of Mdex is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The unsurpassed exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in no less than 7 days with no opposition. The volume cost activity is plainly apparent in the Mdex cost outline. Anything that caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested instability currently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight design. The overall strength record hit oversold conditions in September and, for the present moment, the opposition level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. Yet the Mdex cost gauge framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex stirring things up around town levels in 2 months or less. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the MDX cost could plunge to the help levels according to digital money forecasts. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging procedures, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex market over the solidification region that structures over the opposition level. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash choices and create gains involving the expansion in suggested unpredictability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footholds at the most extreme cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. Mdex value expectation, 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we feel that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the venture advancement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in the positive heading, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex conjecture. Mdex value forecast 2022. As per general data for the speculations, major and specialized examination ought to be finished if one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Subsequently, dealers ought to do their own examination, dissect the pattern in markets and take venture exhortation from their monetary guide prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value forecast 2023. The Mdex value forecast depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient demonstrating procedures. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with digital forms of money news, different figures, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value forecast 2024. According to the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. Generally speaking, financial backer feeling and digital money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex value expectation 2025. In light of the verifiable information in Mdex cost estimate, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex value forecast 2026. As per the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of legitimate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin. Is Mdex solid? Indeed, MDX is a solid crypto as it showed what itself can do as a quick and secure digital money. It is adaptable, as well as it tends to be traded out